Hello everyone, first of all, we'd like to pay our respect to the judges and the audience who are watching our video today. Well, let me introduce our team first. My name is Manut. I'm 14 years old. I'm a student at Burmese International School in Lower Thlang.
Hello everyone, my name is Thlang. I'm 19 years old. I'm a student of Burmese International School in Lower Thlang.
But today we have one topic that we want to talk. It's about how can great leader unite others. So before we continue, we have some questions to ask. What is a great leader? So a great leader means a person who inspires, empowers, communicates effectively, demonstrates integrity and empathy. So now let's begin to our topic. Well, let's talk about Jack Ma. Jack Ma is the co-founder of Alibaba. Jack Ma empowers through his individual by his commerce. By supporting a small business, he creates a sense of belonging and motivates people to work together. And next we have Larry Page, the co-founder of Google. So Page encourages a culture of innovation where collaboration thrives by supporting an environment where his employees can share their ideas freely. And his leadership style shows that demonstrate encourages to contribute their unique perspective so they become more connected to each other and make the company mission succeed.
Okay everyone, it's my turn now. Let's talk about Mr. Tim Cook. Mr. Tim Cook is CEO or Chief Executive Officer of Apple. Is an exemplary leader. He emphasizes integrity and inclusivity. He unites people by fostering a culture of respect and transparency. Under his leadership, Apple has championed diversity and inclusion, recognizing that a united team is a stronger one. Mr. Tim approach shows that when everyone feels valued, they are more likely to collaborate and strive for success. Lastly, let's discuss about King Jayavarman VII of Cambodia. King Jayavarman VII united his kingdom through compassion and public welfare initiative. His focus on building infrastructure fostered a strong sense of identity and loyalty among his people. In conclusion, great leaders like Jack Ma, Larry Page, Tim Cook, and King Jayavarman VII demonstrate that uniting people is about empowerment, collaboration, integrity, and emotional connection. They inspire us to work together towards a common goal, reminding us that together we can achieve extraordinary things beyond our expectation.
Alright, that's wrap up our presentation. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.